Hey everyone, welcome back to Rafi Gadget Review. Today we're checking out a very futuristic gadget that can completely change the way you maintain your swimming pool. This is the AIPER Scuba V3, a cordless robotic pool cleaner packed with cognitive AI navigation, smart cleaning technology, and a premium modern design. If you are tired of manually cleaning your pool or dealing with messy cables and complicated systems, this robot is designed to make the entire process much easier and smarter. AIPER calls the Scuba V3 the world's first cognitive AI-powered essential robot pool cleaner, and after looking at its features and performance, it definitely feels like a major upgrade compared to traditional pool cleaning robots. Now, before we dive deeper into the features, let's quickly check out the box contents. Inside the box, you get the AIPER Scuba V3 robotic pool cleaner itself, the wireless charging dock, a power adapter, and the basic user documentation to help you get started. Right away, the design stands out. The Scuba V3 looks modern and premium with its sleek dark grey finish and futuristic shape. It also feels surprisingly portable for a robotic pool cleaner, weighing around 18 pounds, making it easier to carry and place it into pool compared to many bulky alternatives. Now, the biggest highlight here is definitely the cognitive AI navigation system. The Scuba V3 uses AI-powered vision path technology with DTOF sensors to intelligently plan cleaning routes instead of randomly moving around the pool. This helps the robot clean more efficiently while covering the pool more accurately. Another impressive feature is AI portal cleaning. According to AIPER, the robot can identify over 20 different types of debris with a detection range of up to 2 meters. So, instead of blindly moving around, it actively detects dirt and adjusts its cleaning behavior accordingly. And yes, this cleaner can handle floors, walls, and even the waterline. AIPER includes jet assist waterline cleaning technology, which helps the robot scrub along the edges more effectively. Combined with dual active brushes and powerful 4800 GPS suction performance, the Scuba V3 can easily pick up leaves, dirt, sand, and smaller debris from different pool surfaces. Another cool addition is the built-in dual LED lighting system. These LEDs help improve visibility for the AI system during low light or nighttime cleaning, allowing the robot to continue working effectively even in darker conditions. Now, let's talk about convenience, because this is where the Scuba V3 becomes very user-friendly. Since it is completely cordless, you don't have to deal with tangled wires floating around the pool. The included wireless charging dock also makes charging simple. After cleaning, you just place the robot onto the dock and it starts charging automatically. Battery life is also impressive. The cleaner can run up to for 180 minutes on a full charge, depending on the cleaning mode and pool conditions. Charging takes around 4 to 5 hours, which is pretty reasonable considering the performance. You also get Bluetooth and Wi-Fi app connectivity. Through the app, you can monitor cleaning status, control the cleaner, and receive notifications when the cleaning is complete. There is also an easy retrieval feature where the robot climbs near the pool edge after finishing the job, making it easier to take out of the water. For filtration, AIPER uses a micro-mesh multi-layer filtration system that helps capture fine debris and smaller particles more effectively, helping keep your pool water cleaner and clearer. Overall, the AIPER Scuba V3 feels like a very premium and futuristic robot pool cleaner. The combination of AI-powered navigation, strong suction, cordless convenience, smart app features, and waterline cleaning makes it a very impressive package for pool owners. If you want to spend less time cleaning your pool and more time actually enjoying it, the Scuba V3 is definitely one of the most advanced robotic pool cleaners currently available.
Check the link below and use my code RAFIGA31 for extra 5% off on both official and Amazon.
So, that was our review of the AIPER Scuba V3. Let us know in the comments what you think about this AI-powered pool cleaner robot. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more amazing gadget reviews here on Rafi Gadget Review. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.